Today, we will talk about how to get clients for credit repair. Let's have a look at the details. You may have social media experience or experience with building websites. If so, then dive into that earlier than most would. If not, you may want to devote more time to those things you can do. The most important thing is that you go get customers. Learning how to find credit repair customers is the single most important skill set to have if you're going to be in the credit repair business. Then as your business becomes profitable, take the time to venture into other areas that may take more time, energy, and money. Word of mouth. If you want to know how to find credit repair customers, this is the quickest and easiest, and most necessary thing that you do. The reason is that people aren't going to just tell you they have a credit score problem during a regular conversation. It's only when they find out you can help them that they will share that with you. Everyone you know needs to know you're in the credit repair business. Stay away from email blasting. It doesn't work. Many go to spam. One solid conversation will get you much further than 1,000 emails. Business networking for credit repair. A great way to get the word out is to join some local business networking groups. It also gives you an opportunity to hone your conversation and presentation skills. How are you going to talk about your credit repair business? How are you going to present it to a group? Business networking will allow you to practice. Plus, business owners know lots of people. They also know people in professions that are important to you, like real estate and mortgage. Referral sources for credit repair. Referrals are far better, 100 times better than a lead off the internet. It's because you are being referred. It gives you instant credibility. And, if you teach your referral source just a little bit about how to refer you, your chance of getting that sale is really good. Think about it. They are referring someone to you that is emotionally invested in increasing their credit score. They typically will gladly pay you to help them. Social media. You must have a social media presence. It's essential. You want to use social media to educate and attract people. And, make them curious. You don't want to annoy them with every post being a sales pitch. Always remember, you need to first attract people to you before you find credit repair customers. More online marketing. Credit repair website. You need it to rank on Google before you can use a website to find credit repair customers. It will take months before you'll see that. And, that's only if you or someone that's working on your website is really good at search engine optimization, SEO. The reason you want to have a website sooner than later is so that it seasons. Google will not rank a brand new website. Get your website built even if it's not perfect. And get Google, Bing, and Yahoo to crawl your site right away. Credit repair blog. When you start your website, get a platform like WordPress that allows you to have a blog inside your site. Blogging about credit and credit repair topics will get eyeballs on what you write with links back to your website. Then post your blog articles on your social media pages. Listings for your website. The more links you have back to your website, the better. The more listings you create, the more links back to your website, which will get the search engine bots to pay attention when they crawl your site. That will move you up in the rankings. Credit repair sales funnels. The idea is to run ads on Google, Facebook, etc., and drive people to a landing page to see what you're selling. Then get them to submit their contact info to you so you can use an email or other type of drip campaign to keep their eyeballs on you. Credit repair affiliate marketing. This may be a great way to find credit repair customers. However, I would not recommend it when you first get started. The concept is for that people who have high traffic sites that advertise your credit repair service. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.